you very much, Renuji. I'm fine. Can you hear me?
So, Mr. Chetan Kapoor is the COO of Tech Mahindra Foundation, and we are very fortunate, and it's very kind of him that he agreed to moderate this session. So, over to you, Mr. Chetan Kapoor, please.
Thank you very much, Renuji. It was just a pleasure to listen to what we just heard over the last few minutes, and I think this has set the context for today's panel discussion in a beautiful way. I would want to start by congratulating the entire team of Khushbu on this momentous occasion of completing 25 years. For those of us who've been working in the social development sector, we know, the significance of an achievement such as this, because to work with such dedication and passion for as many as 25 years is, it's no mean achievement. So congratulations once again. And it gives me immense pleasure to be with all of you today as part of the Silver Jubilee celebrations of Khushbu. As Renuji just mentioned, my name is Chetan Kapoor and I work as the Chief Operating Officer at Tech Mahindra Foundation. I will be moderating the panel discussion today with an eminent set of panelists who will shortly be introduced to you. The topic that we will be discussing today is an extremely significant one, the importance of which cannot be overstated. Over the course of the next about 45 minutes or so, we will be talking about the challenges faced by persons with disability and their families. A challenge that we often see around us when we see someone on a wheelchair or with a walking stick. However, we will keep the discussion focused around what is possible rather than what is not. In other words, we'll try to make the discussion solution oriented. Over the last 9 months or so, all of us, have been living through some unprecedented times. None of us was really prepared for a pandemic of this scale and severity. And while most of us have now learned to cope with it, there are many who are still grappling with the situation. We know that persons with disabilities have been among the most severely affected people. And yet, over the last few months, I have heard some of the most amazing stories of resilience from members of this community. Today, we have come together to celebrate this remarkable resilience, and that's what we'll try to do through this panel discussion. Without any further delay, allow me to introduce the esteemed panelists to you. So first up, Rao. KVS Raoji, if you're listening to me, hello and welcome to this discussion.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, Mr. Rao. Your voice is not very clear. Allow me to read out a brief introduction about you, sir. Mr. Vikram Sinha Rao is a senior government official in India's Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, New Delhi, with over 20 years of experience in human rights, health and disability sectors, and a specialization in policy and planning. His work at this department has spanned effective program for promotion and protection of rights of persons with disabilities through inclusion and empowerment. Mr. Rao contributed extensively to frame a new legislation that includes the broad principles endorsed in the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. He has provided inputs to the department's roadmap towards achievement of the Asian strategy, as well as the Sustainable Development Goals. Mr. Rao, it's an absolute pleasure to have you here today, and we'll shortly be hearing from you as well. Next, we have, yes, sir.
Am I visibly and audible?
Yes, you are. So I will shortly turn to you with a question.
Thank you.
Okay, next we have with us Mr. Krishan Kalra, who's a veteran with several years of rich experience with him. Mr. Kalra, if you are here, can we please see you? If you can have your video and say hi to us.
No, my video is on, Mr. Kapoor, and now I have unmuted
Great.
also myself.
I can hear you. I thought it would be good if people can, also get to see each of us. So as I was just mentioning, Mr. Kalra is a veteran. He's worked in the corporate world for 38 years, followed by 7 years as Additional Secretary General of FICCI and another 3 years as Secretary General of the PhD Chamber of Commerce. He is past president of All India Management Association and has served on the board of governors of IIMC Kolkata for 5 years and as a member of the PhD Chamber for nearly 20 years. Since early 2010, Mr. Kalra does only voluntary work in the areas of skill development, healthcare, environment conservation, and empowerment of the differently able. And he is also associated with an organization called Sarthak for the last few years. It's a pleasure to have you, Mr. Kalra, and we'll soon turn to you for your inputs. Next up, we have Mr. Nixon Joseph. I'm pleased to introduce Mr. Nixon Joseph. Mr. Joseph, if you're here, if you could unmute briefly and say hello to all of us.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm here.
Good evening, and welcome. So just to let everyone know, Mr. Nixon Joseph is the President and Chief Operating Officer at the State Bank of India Foundation, the SBI Foundation. He is a postgraduate in English language and literature. He's an avid marathoner. I think he's run some 40 marathons is what I just learned. He joined the SBI in 1985 as a probationary officer and as president of the SBI Foundation, which is the CSR arm of State Bank of India. He has been supporting strong impact projects to help the underprivileged and the needy. He has been a regular speaker in various CSR forums all across India. He is also the recipient of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award 2018 for Excellence in Public Service and the Dr. Kalam Memorial Ignited Minds Awards. It's a privilege to have you here, Mr. Nixon Joseph. Next, I'm happy to introduce to you my friend Kumar Anurag Pratap. Anurag, if you're around, if we could just hear from you briefly.
Hi everyone, this is Anurag here and I work with Capgemini.
Yeah, hi, great Anurag. So you bring with you more than 24 years of experience in CSR, community development, project management, grant management, and resource management. At present, Anurag anchors CSR at Capgemini India, and over the last 2 decades, he has worked with grassroots agencies, donor agencies, UN agencies, and corporates, and his core competency lies in long-term strategic planning and vision building among diverse stakeholder groups. He specializes in leading organizations towards change and transition management in the social development space. I can also add for our guests here that Anurag and I recently.
Did I lose you or everyone lost you?
I think it's got disconnected.
Okay.
I think Chetan is got disconnected.
Good evening, everyone. This is Tanish Maheshwari this side. Mr. Kapoor, he's facing some network issues and he's trying to join. Till then, I will carry on with the discussion. To quickly introduce myself, I'm Tanish Maheshwari. I head the communications in Marcom for Tech Mahindra Foundation. And I'll be happy to carry on with the discussion in his absence. He will try to resume if his internet allows him to do that. Otherwise, I'll be here for the panel discussion. So can we begin with the discussion in that case, Rakeshji?
Yes, please. We can start the discussion.
So I think with this we can conclude today's panel discussion. And I would now want to, after thanking all of you, would hand it back to Renuji. So you could, if you could move the next part of the agenda.